Hey besties, welcome back again to my channel, and today I'll be teaching you how I make my samosa filling that is so delicious. So sit back, relax and watch this video. Please kindly like, comment and subscribe. In a frying pan, add in a little bit of vegetable oil and pour in your minced meat. I already boiled my minced meat and I allowed the stock also dry up. We're going to stir fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes, and after which we're going to pour in our carrots. Now if you don't like too much carrots in your samosa, reduce the quantity, but then it's better to use a balanced amount of carrots to your minced meat. So just stir fry this for another 3 minutes. I'll advise you use a non-stick pan to make this, to prevent it from burning or sticking to the base. And next we want to add in our sweet corn. Add a little bit, you don't need too much of sweet corn. Continue stir frying this for about 2 to 3 minutes. After that, we're going to add in some spring onions. I use a little bit, but you can use onions as a substitute. You're going to stir fry this for just 1 minute. Kindly subscribe to my channel, give this video a like and drop a beautiful comment for me. And for seasoning, I use a combination of sugar, salt and seasoning powder. I make sure that my sugar is just a little. I use just a little sugar to balance out the taste. I added a little bit of salt. I'm also going to add some seasoning powder to it, and I'm going to keep stirring. At the same time, I'm also going to keep tasting it. Once I'm satisfied with the taste, I'll go in with some scotch bonnet pepper that I blended. You can use dry pepper to replace this. Apologies for moving the camera. I'm so sorry about that. Yeah, so just give this a stir, and in a minute our samosa filling is ready. If you are yet to see my video on how I make my spring roll and samosa wraps or sheets, I'll link it up after this video. These are the wraps I made for my samosa, and I'm just going to cut it up to the required size I need. So the leftovers from the wraps, I'm just going to set it aside and I'll show you the outcome later. These are all the wraps we got, and we're just going to start making it. I have this mixture of flour and water. I'll be using this to seal up the ends of my samosa. There are several ways to wrap in your samosa, but I prefer this method. Watch how I do it. It's pretty simple and easy. It also gives you more wraps when you make it this way. That's cutting it out into strips. Make sure when you are filling your samosa, make sure you don't put too much of it. Seal up the ends to make your work faster. Flip that side with a finger. Now fold it. Let it rest and then just wrap this. It's as simple as ABC. Yeah, and that's how you do it for everything. So let's start frying. Our oil is ready and we're just going to pour our samosa. You don't want to overcrowd your pan, but if you want to know when your oil is ready, just add some flour to it and it will sizzle. You can take it out this way if you don't want it too dark, or you can leave it like I would prefer to do until it's golden brown like this, and then I'll take it out. You can see the beauty of our samosa. You too can do this. Let me know if you would like to make this at home for yourself, your family and friends. This is all shades of gorgeousness, and I'll reveal what it looks like inside. I'll be sharing with you my spring roll recipe in another video, but then take a look at the gorgeousness of this samosa. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you love samosa? For me, I'll give it a 10 over 10. I love samosa so much. For the leftover wraps, I cut it up and fried it, and this is the outcome. It is so delicious, better than chin chin. Yes, I said it. Your family and friends, children will love it. It is super delicious. Please kindly like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.